Namaste to all. Here I am with a new video relating to objectives of tax of income tax chapter unit 1. We are discussing under that topic is objectives of tax. Okay, so under the objectives of tax, objective means purpose for why there is need for tax. That is the main intention in this topic. So as we said, tax is for the purpose of welfare of the people living in the country. So objectives of tax is for the well-being of the people living in the country, and tax is levied by the government to run the government. So government has some uh, duties to fulfill and run the nation. So for that purpose it requires some funds that will be collected in the form of tax. That is what we have discussed in the meaning and definition, as well as we see in the characteristics of tax. So what would be the objectives of taxes? So here every government has to discharge its statutory, administrative, social functions. So as a government as a body, it will have some duties to be done. So to discharge the said duties of statutory, administration, social functions, or whatever government duties is there, it requires money, okay, by the government. So every government major source of revenue comes from levy of taxes and collection of taxes. So from where they will get? From the public itself they will get. So the objectives of tax can be studied in two angles. One is traditional approach, one is modern approach. In this video we are going to discuss traditional approach, and modern approach we will discuss in the next video, so that video length will be less and you can easily understand the concept also. So traditional approach, under this approach objectives of taxation are categorized into two categories: main objectives, another one is subsidiary objectives. One is main objectives, another one is subsidiary objectives. What will be the main objectives of tax? Okay, main objectives, I said now, government as a body organization, it will have day to day some expenditure to run the nation and to look after the people living in the country. So to generate income to meet day to day expenditure of government. So government के जो भी डेली एक्सपेंसेस रहते हैं वो सब बेयर करने के लिए सम फंड्स चाहिए, वो फंड्स के लिए ये पैसे लगेंगे. सो टैक्सेस विल बी यूटिलाइज फॉर दैट पर्पस ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में. वो एक. नेक्स्ट we are having few more related to main objectives, that is to make provisions to fulfill the basic needs of the people. Okay, basic needs of food, shelter and other things are required by the people living in the country. To make the basic needs available to the people living in the country, funds are required. From the taxes they will collect. Now I will tell one example. At ration shops you will get food at lower price, subsidized price, from where they are getting remaining amount, whatever we are not paying, that amount will be paid by the government to the those people. So to make the people needs, to fulfill the needs of the people, it will take. Next we are having taxation policy. Okay, taxation policy is key instrument to bring the socio-economic changes in the people. People living in the country socially and economically should be developed. With the help of taxation policy itself, what happens? Social and economical well-being of people will be enhanced. Okay, the people who are living below the poverty line should come above the poverty line. How it will be done means through the schemes and policies of the uh, government. Like I'll tell one example. Like here, uh, skill skill India programs are being done. With the skill India programs, what they are doing, government is making some uh, people who are dropouts or who are less educated or just discontinued their degree, inter and other studies, they should also get some employment, and those who have completed degree and other courses should also get some employment. Self employment purpose, government is taking some what skill development programs under the people. Okay, with that what happens, they'll get employment. If employment they'll get, economical and social well-being will be easily possible. So taxation policy, he also thinks about this point. So tax levied to protect the home trade and domestic trade industry from the global businessmen. See, uh, global businesses are there and domestic and home trade also there, okay, in India. So to protect the Indian industries, what happens, if we are importing some goods which are available in India itself, but people want imported one, and foreign markets always uh, try to take the advantage of this globalization liberalization policies and invest in India and get money from India to the outside. So what they will do, they will dump their products in India in the large quantities and earn the income. To avoid that, what government will do, they impose additional taxes, okay, to protect the domestic industry. हम भी जीना है, तो पहले मेक इन इंडिया प्रोग्राम लाए। इंडिया में अगर आप बना रहे हैं तो आपको क्या होता, कम पैसे में, ओके, आपके प्रोडक्ट्स सेल करने के लिए प्रॉब्लम, जो भी आपको चाहिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैसिलिटीज, गवर्नमेंट विल प्रोवाइड दोस। सो टैक्सेशन आउटसाइड इंडिया के जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स रहते फ्रॉम आउटसाइड इंडिया, इफ एनी business are there, for them taxes will be more, okay, import duties will be more, customs duty they need to pay. With that, our domestic product rate will be less, foreign product rate will be more, so people will tend to buy domestic products. Okay, this is the point here. Prevention and control of concentration of economic power, that is income and wealth in the hands of few persons, in other words uh, removed. Means suppose जो कमा रहे पैसे वाला है, रिच पर्सन, वो लोग अपना पैसे क्या कर रहे हैं, बिजनेस में किसी और में सब जगह पे इन्वेस्ट कर लेके व्हाट दे आर अर्निंग मोर एंड मोर, and whoever poor people are there, they will be like that itself if there is no policies of taxation. So what government will do, government is making some uh, tremendous changes. अभी ये डिस्पैरिटीज जो कुछ लोगों के हाथ में ज़्यादा पैसा रहा तो क्या हो जाएगा, प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. सो मनी शुड नॉट बी एट in the hands of few people. So what government is doing, they will making tax uh, imposition at higher rate for those who are having higher income, and lower income people, group people will be having lesser taxes. Just like rebate under section 87A is there in our tax policy. So what does it do, those who are having total income less than 5 lakhs, okay, those who are having less than 5 lakhs total income, they can avail the rebate up to 12,500 rupees, okay. So and those who are having more than 50 lakhs, they will pay surcharge, additional tax. Okay, like this, those who are having higher income group people, they need to pay more taxes, and those who are having less income, they need to pay lesser taxes or less taxes, no taxes. This is how economic power should not be concentrate in few people. Okay, पैसे किसी एक जगह पे स्टक नहीं होना है, किसी ओनली फ्यू पीपल के हाथ में नहीं रहना है. दिस विल बी डन with the taxation policy. Good taxation system provides redistribution of income and wealth, that is making the lower income people become rich and rich not grow at faster rate. See, जो रिच है उसको गरीब करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, उसका ग्रोथ को जो है ना वो थोड़ा हल्लू हल्लू. ओके, इट शुड दे शुड ग्रो एट ए पेस लो. ओके, नॉट एट फास्टर पेस. बिकॉज अब जो पैसे वाला है वही कमा रहा, जो पैसे वाला नहीं है वो नहीं कमा पा रहा, तो वो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. सो व्हाट टैक्सेशन इज डूइंग, टैक्सेशन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है बोले तो टू रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूट द इनकम. जिसके पास ज़्यादा है वो पैसे ज़्यादा टैक्स पे करके वो ज़्यादा पे करने वाले हैं, जो भी पैसे हैं वो पुअर सेक्शन लोअर इनकम पीपल में बांट देने का प्रोग्राम चल रहा. ओके, that is what the purpose of tax, objective of tax. Okay, so fifth and sixth point are little bit interrelated and little bit same also. Next, subsidiary objectives. In subsidiary objectives we are having, okay, in subsidiary objectives we are having following. Just a minute. B, subsidiary objectives. In subsidiary objectives we are having following things. Let us discuss these things now. The following are the subsidiary objectives. One of the economic objective of imposing taxes in the formation of public capital for the rapid development of the economy. What they are saying, subsidiary means additional objectives. So what are the additional objectives means, whatever we are collecting taxes is public money. Okay, this public money, power chale gaya, don't worry. I am disappearing, no problem for you all. Up concentrate karo on the content. Okay, one of the objective of imposing taxes in the form of public capital for the rapid development of economy. Economy develop होना बोले तो public money जो भी है वो appropriately use करना. So taxation policy will do that one by getting public money as a capital. Okay, uh, that capital whatever they are getting from in the form of taxes will be used for the development of the economy. like roads डालना, villages में, remote locations में, telephone infrastructure facilities provide करना, water, okay, other facilities provide करना, all these are being done with the help of public capital in the form of taxes by the government. In times of scarcity of a commodity, heavy taxation or high tax rates are reduced the domestic consumption. Examples, the taxes on gold and petrol. What happens if commodities are very less and scarce? What government will do? Government will have heavy taxes or high taxes on those commodities, so that people who are using those commodities, their consumption will be become less. Because if price is increases, okay, if price increases consumption decreases. That is the economic policy rule. So that on with that concept what they will do, they will increase the prices by levying higher taxes on some products. Okay, next point is, here we are having to encourage the savings and channelize such savings into investment in the form of shares of limited companies, units of mutual funds, etc. If you tell the people, just a minute, okay, train has left now. To encourage the savings, if you tell the people to save the money, people will not save. Okay, generally people try to spend the money, but when you say to avoid tax, okay, to avoid tax, I am saying avoid, okay, it is called tax planning. Generally, to pay less tax, if you invest in some saving schemes, investment schemes, then in com in companies or mutual funds or somewhere else, what happens, companies will get funds and business will increase. Similarly, म्यूचुअल फंड और यूटीआई यूनिट ट्रस्ट ऑफ इंडिया ऐसे वाले में आप लगा रहे पैसे, सो व्हाट हैपेंस, people will get some interest on those money invested, as well as their tax liability will be reduced, as in deductions you will find, if you invest in UTI and other places, you will get some exemptions, tax exemption. I'll tell one very good example. There is one concept of Sukanya Samruddhi scheme. Okay, Sukanya Samruddhi scheme. Okay, this scheme is for uh, girl child who is I think 9, less than 9 years or less than 11 years, I think. Okay, uh, correctly didn't remember, maybe 11 years. Okay, जे जो बच्ची है 11 ईयर्स से कम वाले हैं, ओके, उनके नेम पे आप क्या कर सकते हैं, यू कैन ओपन ए अकाउंट इन द सुकन्या समृद्धि स्कीम with post office or any bank. Whatever amount you will deposit in this Sukanya Samruddhi scheme monthly or annually, that amount you will get as deduction under section 80C. आपको 80C में इसका deduction मिलेगा. Okay, whatever amount you have deposited in the Sukanya Samruddhi scheme. Okay, every month 1000 rupees, okay, or lesser than that you can deposit. Okay, till she attains the majority of age or 18 years or 21 years तक क्या कर सकते हैं आप स्कीम के हिसाब से, 18 to 21 years you can investing those money in the Sukanya Samruddhi account. Okay, whatever amount invested is not taxable, as well as whatever interest you are receiving on that account, that amount also not taxable, that is also exempt. आप इन्वेस्ट करें तो उसके ऊपर थोड़ा इंटरेस्ट भी आएगा, वो इंटरेस्ट भी आपको एग्जाम्प्ट है, टैक्स नहीं होता, 80C में डिडक्शन में मिल जाएगा. वाई दे आर मेकिंग सच थिंग्स मीन्स, पीपल जनरली लड़की लड़की पैदा हुई है तो अरे खर्चा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, क्या करेंगे बोल के सोचते. सो टू प्रोटेक्ट द गर्ल चाइल्ड, ओके, एंड फॉर हर डेवलपमेंट आफ्टर हर ग्रेजुएशन, उनका पढ़ाई होने के बाद हायर स्टडीज़ के लिए पैसे चाहिए होंगे. इफ़ शी वांट टू डू डॉक्टर और इंजीनियर या कुछ दूसरा बनना चाहती हैं, लेकिन इफ़ शी डजेंट हैव मनी, व्हाट हैपेंस, देयर पेरेंट्स विल डू one thing, just they'll make her marry with someone and that's it. But फर्दर स्टडीज़ के लिए या मैरिज के लिए पैसे भी चाहिए तो वो टाइम पे नहीं रहेगा. फॉर दैट पर्पस व्हाट दे आर सेइंग, दिस सुकन्या समृद्धि अकाउंट यू विल put money up to 18 to 21 years in her name. Okay, that amount whatever you have deposited will increase. Okay, वो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, and whatever amount you will get from that account is not taxable also. So for her future planning, this will be good scheme by the government. So ऐसे savings to encourage the savings and to make the people invest in various securities, shares and other places. Government will do some tax plannings, objectives में ये सब आ जाएंगे. Okay, hope you have understood. If you know someone, just tell them to invest in Sukanya Samriddhi account. I know ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, फिर भी that was important, so that is why I have explained in the video. So that's it. Uh, just like, share and subscribe the channel, like the video, because if you like, people will get notified about the video. Okay, and it will be useful for others also. Share with your friends because sharing is caring. And lastly, सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद, सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए. जय हिंद.